In today's video we will explain how to fix the broken rod of an umbrella. The first thing we have to do is put the rod back through the sewn threads that the umbrella has. If the threads have been broken, we should do them again beforehand. Once it's stuck, we hook it into the upper metal piece. At the other end we will glue it with glue. We put some drops on the part of the umbrella, and introduce the rod. Once it is dry, we return to the upper end. We take out the rod and open a little the metal part to insert it completely. We will do it with a screwdriver, inserting it and turning it slightly towards both sides. We put the rod again, and tighten the sides with pliers to leave it fixed. We already have our umbrella ready. If you liked the videos, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.